You got to be kidding, right? Do you know how to use that? Anyway, Brian Young, ProTinkerToys.com. There's another unboxing of another one of our Gonher guns. And this is just another great one. This is item number 0046. And this is just a simple little pistol. And boy, I'm telling you, Gonher makes guns that are great. And they are made in Spain, too. Solid metal. These are solid metal with plastic grips, okay? And it's an 8-shot. Look at that, 8-shot. Got the orange cap. Boy. Okay, this is item number 0046. This is a small pistol. Okay, small pistol. It's 0046. It's this police special. Okay. And it, yep, resembles a Beretta. Doesn't have the double safety though. Doesn't have any safety. It's a toy gun.
No, but look, see, there's that's the safety.
Oh,
it's
yeah.
supposed to be ambidextrous on the Beretta. It's not over there.
Right. Okay. So what? I'm a lefty anyway. Great toy guns. You know, I have the best toy guns. Okay, because I carry Gonher and Paris. All right. If you want to buy a toy gun, and you want to have quality, you buy them from ProTinkerToys.com. So that's the basic gun. They come in a nice little box. And they're at ProTinkerToys.com. ProTinkerToys.com. Don't like, subscribe, hit the notification bell button.